Hey YouTube, welcome to Invest In. I'm Logan, and I'm going to show you today how to go about redeeming your crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum codes sent to you from Celsius as a part of their Chapter 11 bankruptcy process. If you're here, you've probably already received an email from Stretto indicating that you're owed Bitcoin or Ethereum as a part of that, and I'm going to show you step by step how to go about converting the claim code in your email into actual Bitcoin and Ethereum using PayPal. It's a very simple process, but I'm happy to guide you through step by step, so follow along with me. I'll show you what to do.
Alright, so as you can see here, I have an email open in my inbox that shows that it's from Stretto. Please take note of this email address. This is the legitimate address that shows you are in communication with Stretto, the official distribution email. If you'd like to pause, you can read the text of the video here. Basically, it gives you some brief instructions along with some resources telling you that you have either Venmo or PayPal as an option to redeem. My sensitive information is blurred out, but you can see if we move over to PayPal, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the crypto button. So from the home page, you're going to want to find this crypto icon. It may be underneath this menu toggle, but when you do go into the crypto menu, you're going to see, in my account, I have no crypto in my PayPal right now. That does not matter. Nothing needs to be set up for you. But you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option labeled Redeem Claim Code. And you'll see the Celsius logo as well. When you click that Redeem Claim Code, it'll pop up the actual menu where you're going to input the data from your email. It's going to ask you for your code, it's going to ask you for your birth date, and some other personal information will be presented later. As you can see here, it's not much that's needed, but you're going to have to just toggle back to your email, copy and paste in that code along with your date of birth. Now that your code was successfully verified, it's just going to ask you to confirm some of your info in order to know it's sending the crypto to the right person. PayPal's KYC, know your customer process. So it's just prompting us to go through that verification. It will do this the first time you go about this redemption. As you can see, there's some terms and conditions that you need to agree to. If you need extra time with this, you can pause. I'm gonna hit agree. I've already read. What it's going to do now is it's going to basically load the personal information that PayPal already has for you. This may be more or less depending on you. It's going to have you verify your residential address, a couple other things, but basically that's it. I have my account set up to allow multi-factor authentication. I strongly suggest you do the same. It's sending a PIN code to my phone, our Authenticator app. You can go retrieve that code, come back to PayPal, input that code in here, as you can see, and then just simply hit submit to proceed with the two-factor authentication. And that's it. You get a confirmation message indicating that you're all set, nothing else that you need to do, and you get a confirmation message on the PayPal screen as well that we've got your claim info. Now I'm going to repeat the process for our Ethereum claim. As you can see, it's a separate email, separate claim code for Ethereum. If you don't want to watch this process, you can skip ahead in the video. But again, same Stretto email address, same general information contained within the email. You're just going to want to basically confirm you're looking at a legitimate email, not a scam, not a spoof, and take note of that claim code. You're going to want to copy it. You're going to want to go to PayPal. Again, it's the same crypto button that you're going to want to look for. Once again, the layout may be different, your mileage may vary. Once you find that crypto button, as you can see here, my Bitcoin balance has already loaded from redeeming that code, but you're going to want to find that same button. It's the same process. You're going to want to paste in your claim code. You're going to want to enter in your date of birth, just like you did on the Bitcoin side. It doesn't matter which of these you do first or second. It's relatively the same process up until now. As you can see, we didn't have to verify all the information this time. It just simply, we've got your claim info. We had already done that verification on the Bitcoin side. If you'd like, I'll now show you some verification you can do just to confirm everything is as it should be in your account. Obviously, everyone's account is going to look a little bit different, but as you can see here, I do have a Bitcoin balance shown from when we redeemed the claim code on the Bitcoin side. And if you go into your crypto account, even just refreshing the page as I've done here, now we can see the Ethereum balance load. It might take a little bit longer for you, but as you can see, this is real time for me. It was pretty fast. You can go in and look at the transactions too and see exactly the transaction showing that Ethereum, showing that Bitcoin has come over. You can look at those transactions down below the market price graph and see, yes, it's successful. You have activity, you have a transaction to show. Thanks everybody for sticking along with this tutorial. As you can see, there's not much to it, but it is nice to have as a reference to know what to expect. My name is Logan, this is Invest In, and we encourage you to like and subscribe as we're going to start posting some more content that I think you'll find valuable. See you in the next one.